Imagine a world where it literally rains glass sideways, or a planet so dark it swallows nearly all light, making it darker than coal. These aren't scenes from a sci-fi movie, they are real planets out there in our galaxy. Today, we explore the strangest exoplanets ever discovered, worlds that will make Earth feel shockingly ordinary. Our first stop is 55 Cancri E, often called the Diamond Planet. Located about 40 light-years away, this world is twice the size of Earth and orbits so close to its star that a year lasts only 18 hours. Scientists believe it could be rich in carbon, and under the extreme pressure, much of that carbon may exist as diamond. In fact, astronomers at Yale once estimated that this planet could be worth $26.9 nonillion of mine. That's a 26 followed by 30 zeros. The surface of this planet is likely covered in graphite and diamond, rather than water and granite. A literal world made of jewels. If humans could visit, every step might crunch under diamond rocks, and the heat from its star would make any earthly sunburn feel mild. Next, we visit HD 189733b, a planet with some of the harshest weather in the known universe. Winds here reach speeds of over 5,400 miles per hour, 7 times the speed of sound. If that wasn't terrifying enough, this planet has clouds made of silicate particles. It rains molten glass sideways at deadly speeds. Imagine walking outside and being sliced by glass raining like bullets, while the sky glows a deep azure blue. Its beauty is a deadly illusion. Our third strange world is WASP-12b, sometimes called the Doomed Planet. This gas giant is so close to its star that it's being slowly consumed. The planet is stretched into an egg shape by tidal forces, and its atmosphere is literally being stripped away into space. Astronomers estimate it may be completely gone in just a few million years. WASP-12b is so close to its star that it is being pulled apart. Its days are numbered. Now imagine a planet blacker than coal. That's TRES-2b, located about 750 light-years from Earth. This giant exoplanet reflects less than 1% of the light that hits it, making it the darkest planet ever discovered. For comparison, Earth's moon reflects about 12% of sunlight. It's darker than the blackest lump of coal or the darkest acrylic paint. A ghostly giant hiding in the dark of space. One of the most bizarre planets is Gliese 436b, a world of burning ice. It's about the size of Neptune and orbits so close to its star that its surface temperature reaches over 800 degrees Fahrenheit. Yet somehow its water is frozen solid. How? The planet's extreme gravity compresses the water into an exotic form of ice, even though the temperature would normally vaporize it. It's ice, but not the kind you'd put in your drink. Not strange for their conditions, but for their history. The planets orbiting the pulsar PSRB 1257+12 were the first exoplanets ever discovered. They orbit a dead star, a pulsar that spins hundreds of times per second and blasts out radiation. Imagine Earth orbiting the
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
star backward against the direction of the star's rotation. Imagine a planet doing a cosmic moonwalk, defying everything we thought about planetary motion. Finally, Ko-Ro-T 7b is a planet of lava. Its surface is molten rock, constantly churning under a sky that is almost always in twilight. Scientists believe the lava oceans could stretch for hundreds of miles, making it one of the most hostile planets ever discovered. These planets might seem alien beyond imagination, but they show us the sheer variety and strangeness of worlds in our galaxy. Astronomers estimate there are more planets than stars, meaning billions of worlds remain hidden, each with its own extreme conditions, bizarre features, or mind-blowing phenomena. The next time you look up at the night sky, remember, Earth may not be as special as it feels. Somewhere out there, an even stranger world is waiting to be discovered. Next, let's explore even stranger worlds. Kepler 78b is a rocky planet so close to its star that its surface temperature reaches over 4,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Imagine standing on the surface. Any oceans would vaporize instantly, and continents would burn like molten metal. Scientists say the planet may have iron oceans flowing like lava. HAT P7b is a gas giant with storms more intense than anything on Jupiter. Winds blow at 3,100 miles per hour, and lightning strikes are so powerful they could outshine the entire planet. The day side scorches at 4,000 degrees Fahrenheit, while the night side, although cooler, is still hotter than lava on Earth. Astronomers describe it as a planetary furnace in constant motion. WASP 17b is a massive gas giant that orbits its star backward, against the star's rotation. If humans could visit, it would feel like the planet is spinning in reverse, defying everything we know about orbital mechanics. Its atmosphere is so puffed up that it is one of the largest planets discovered, stretching nearly twice the diameter of Jupiter. Ko-Ro-T 7b is a world of molten rock. Its surface is a giant ocean of lava, constantly churning under a sky that is almost always twilight. Temperatures can reach 3,500 degrees Fahrenheit. Scientists believe the molten rivers may stretch hundreds of miles. Visiting would be impossible without a heat shield the size of a city. Kepler 10b is a dense, rocky planet with a surface covered in volcanic plains and massive craters. Gravity here is much stronger than Earth's, so every step would feel like carrying extra tons on your shoulders. Its days last less than a day on Earth, and its nights are barely cooler than the searing daytime. Kepler 70b orbits so close to its star that it is being slowly evaporated. Its surface glows bright red from the intense radiation, and it may only exist for a few million more years. Scientists call it a zombie planet, a world literally dying under the gaze of its sun. Each of these planets shows just how extreme and varied the universe can be. Imagine if humans tried to explore them. Not one would be hospitable, yet each tells us something unique about planetary formation, physics, and the raw power of stars. The universe is full of surprises, and for every planet we know, there are likely billions more with bizarre conditions we can barely imagine. From worlds of burning ice to diamonds, backward gas giants, and oceans of molten rock. The galaxy is stranger than anything we can dream of.
Look up at the night sky for just a moment. What do you see? Tiny twinkling lights scattered across a black canvas. But the truth is, those lights hide a reality so mind-bending that no science fiction story could come close. Tonight, we're diving into 25 space facts that will blow your mind. From stars that make our sun look like a candle, to planets so bizarre they shouldn't even exist, to the terrifying fate of the universe itself. Stick around, because fact number 25 will remind you that everything you are once came from the heart of a dying star. Fact 1. The age of everything. The universe is around 13.8 billion years old. That number is almost impossible to comprehend. Imagine shrinking the entire history of the universe into a single calendar year. The Big Bang happens on January 1st. Galaxies form in spring. Dinosaurs don't appear until Christmas morning. And humans, we arrive in the last minute of December 31st. Every empire, Every war, every invention, just a blink. Fact 2. Stars beyond imagination. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on Earth's beaches. Astronomers estimate around 200 billion trillion stars. That's 200 septillion blazing suns. Imagine standing on a beach, picking up a single handful of sand, and realizing each grain could represent an entire solar system. Fact 3. Crossing the universe is impossible. The observable universe is 93 billion light-years across. Even if you could travel at the speed of light, the ultimate cosmic speed limit, it would take you longer than the current age of the universe to reach the edge. And beyond that, we don't even know how far it stretches. Fact 4. Silence of the cosmos. Space is completely silent. Sound needs something to travel through. Air, water, anything. But in the vacuum of space, there's nothing. Imagine standing next to an exploding star. It would outshine entire galaxies, but you'd never hear a sound. Fact 5. The sun, our quiet giant. Every second, the sun converts 600 million tons of hydrogen into helium. That's enough energy to power all of human civilization for millions of years. Yet in cosmic terms, our sun is completely ordinary. Just one average star among billions. Ordinary stars